Hi guys, Merry Christmas everyone, and Prosperous New Year in advance. Yes, this Christmas special, or should I call it the New Year special? Because today is actually Christmas. Actually recording this on a Christmas evening, and I think next week we are going to see the closings, as in the closing days of the event, the quiet eventful year 2020, and then we're gonna usher in the new year this coming week. So we don't have anything much happening in the market, nothing much, just majorly holidays here and there. You can see a lot of holidays, not much happening even as we speak. A lot of brokers don't are not active, if not all, they're not active on holidays like Christmas. So we haven't seen much of activity this week, and I think it's gonna continue that way next week. So if you still wanna go check out what we've done last week, I'm gonna leave the link to that somewhere above. But then let's get straight to what we have this week, guys. And before we get back, please kindly subscribe. So here we are. So you guys know how we do it. First and foremost, we go over the economic calendar. So as you can see, I should really show you guys there's not much happening this week. Next week rather. So that's it. That's pretty much it for, when it comes to fundamentals. As you can see, nothing much happening here. So first on the list is GBP AUD. But you guys know what we had last week. So GBP AUD, let's look at what price has done in the past. Let's look at what price has done in the past. Now look at this. Now price is on a predominant uptrend. Yes, we don't argue that, but then the impulse at this level is kind of misleading. Yes, price has been price last touch here this month, 11th December, 11th of this month, December, and since then we have been seeing more of a bullish impulse. So here's what I think. Judging from impulse, because you guys know I'm an impulse trader, so I think market is gonna go bullish. I'm on the bullish side, but here is the thing, guys. Here's the thing. Being an impulse trader, this gives me concern. Yes, this gives me concern. This particular bearish impulse. The bearish impulse that we have been seeing for quite some while now, I think this is actually going to. I don't know if market has finally recovered from this impulse, this bearish impulse, to finally go bullish, but I think it's something strong, and it's a major concern, and I think that's why price has been finding it hard to break out of this zone. Now look at this. Price has been finding it hard to break out of this zone. Look at this. Let me remove this other box. Look at this whole area of marked with this box. Price has been finding it hard to break out of this zone. Matter of fact, since August this year or thereabout, market has been finding it very, very hard to break out of this zone. So I think it's because of this guy here. This bearish impulse is so strong that it will require some equal action to reaction. So it will require equal reaction to like send market up on an up and send market back on an uptrend. So but then for my analysis, you guys know analysis is one thing, then what really happens is another thing. But then for my analysis, I'm expecting a bullish move. But what's going to initiate that bullish move? That's what we're here to see, guys. So keep an eye for that. You guys know how we do here, guys. So the next on the list is USD card. Yes, very, very interesting one. USD card. Yes, now USD card predominant on a downtrend since March this year, since the whole crash back in March because of the corona stuff or whatever. Market has been on a predominant downtrend, but then this week something interesting came up. So yes, as you can see, this is an important key level, by the way, very, very important key level, very, very important, the two of them. So now you can see that price broke out of this key level sometime 30th November there about towards 1st December actually, and now we have seen a retest. So I'm expecting this to be with the whole downtrend of it, and I'm expecting price to go further down, understand, at least this point. So that's what I'm expecting, or even down to this part. I can see on the key level here. So this is another thing I'm expecting on USD CAD. So I'm going to go short if market opens and I start seeing bearish impulse this week. Although with the whole holidays and the inactivity in the market during these holidays, I don't think if we're actually going to see much of that impulse coming in this week. But then you will get my point. We're actually waiting for bearish impulse before we finally get into this move. So that's just the whole idea. So that's it for USD CAD. Let's go over to CAD chef. Yes, CAD chef. So now here is a very tricky one and technical one. It requires some technical knowledge as a trader for you to grasp what I did here. So now first of all, just to let me max this out. Now you can see that market is price has made a kind of a triangle formation here. So and you guys if you want to learn how to trade chart patterns, I suggest you actually is a very important strategy you should know as a trader. So endeavor to learn how to do that. It will help you a lot, as I understand. So but then by the way, we teach chart patterns on our training. So in case you want to be a part of that, the link to join our training, any of our financial markets training, forex, crypto, and whatever, is going to be down in the description below. So let's continue. Now this is a triangle pattern, and for my own analysis, I think that those of you who know triangle chart patterns is a two-way kind of thing. Price can break out, go here, price can go back down, go here. So it's a two-way kind of thing when it comes to this symmetrical triangle. So now but for the most part, here is another thing I discovered in this. So let me draw this. Discovered a little bit of, I just did this to accommodate a little bit of consolidation happen here, if that's actually the thing. So now at least I expect this move to happen. Yes, it has already started happening. But then what comes after this is what we are going to leave the market to doesn't show us. So but then this is the move I spotted this week for this coming week. So if you're a short-term trader or thereabouts, you can leverage this because I see it's happening for the most part. So another pair we have on this is Chef JPY. So a lot of Swiss chef pairs on our list for next week. So as you can see, very clear support and resistance kind of situation here. You can see this is a very important resistance zone. Price has been finding it very difficult to break this zone since July 2017. Yes, since July 2017, price has been finding it very difficult to break out from this resistance point. It has rejected it quite how many times? This 1, 2, 3. We saw the fourth one here, and this is actually the fifth one. So this fifth rejection, we are actually going short. Yes, for the most part. So when market opens, this is actually my trade for the week, hopefully. So when market opens up, we are going to go short on this one. So keep an eye for that. And as you can see, price action says 0. So that's it for Chef JPY, which is a very strong one. So that's it for forex too. Let's go over to stocks. We have a few stocks to look at. This is JP Morgan Chase. Yes, I think I said something about JP Morgan sometime in the past, but my point is you can see price has actually broken out from this key level. Very important key level, guys. Very important one. And now we have seen market going towards the upside. So at least we expect to see this market rally up to at least this previous high. Then I think up to this previous high at least. So wait, let me draw that. Okay, we can see market running up to this previous high at least, and then when we get there, whatever happens, we can see where things go from there. But then I'm seeing market going and continue rallying up to the previous high, which was sometime in 2019, towards the end of 2019 to the beginning of this year. So that's it for JP Morgan. Keep an eye for that. Another one is Verizon. Yes, nice one, Verizon Communications. Yes, now you can see Verizon. Actually, I spotted this move back, was that last 2 weeks. This downtrend market was around there, so I think that was last 3 weeks. So now we have seen the bearish, but here's the thing: I expect this move to continue, as in market to continue going down at least to a point. Yes, because the bearish impulse is strong, and then for another reason is because the market has found it hard to break this resistance point since was that the end of 2018. Yes, and that's a very strong one. And then another thing I want to spot out here is that take note for this guy, for this trend line. Yes, it can prove a stumbling block, so I advise you to look for entries after market breaks out from this zone, maybe makes a test, and then you can then go short. So that's it for Verizon Communications, and also that's also where we call it a close for this week. As you guys know, there have not been much of activity since this week, and I think it's going to continue from next week. I'm just putting this opportunity. As you guys know, we do this every week. We just look at the opportunities we see in the market, and then we talk about it, and that's how we do every weekend. So please, I kindly appreciate it. If you're actually watching this now, then it means you have actually watched the video to almost the end. Yes, so I appreciate that. I appreciate your time. I appreciate your time I appreciate you making that time to look at what we do here, to look at the discussions we have here, and I also appreciate you for actually making that move to join communities like this, where you can actually get more ideas and then become better as a trader. Believe me, it's for the best. Life as a trader is better as a community. Take my word of experience for that. So please, if you feel you want to join our communities, there's a lot of ways you can join us. Yes, we have premium mentorship and training on all the financial markets, and we also have a signal group where we provide premium signals. These signals are many more. Yes, so if you want to be a part of that, the links to all this will be in the description below. So kindly check that, and then it's all part of us giving value as in size the whole YouTube thing. So I suggest you become a part of us in one way or the other. So that's it, guys. Also remember to subscribe. Yes, help this channel grow. If you love what we do here, then you should actually help us grow too. Yes, so that a lot of people, a lot of traders can actually get this can actually join our community, and it's free, guys. It's free here on YouTube. So we actually look at the market, and then we discuss a lot of things about the market, and then look at potential opportunities for every week. We do this every weekend, guys. And then also in this channel we drop all awesome content on trading, digital marketing, e-commerce, and making money online as far as the online journey goes. So please, guys, the good thing you do here is to smash the like button. Yes, it helps the algorithm, it helps our videos get recommended to a lot of people. Please smash the like button, guys. It means a lot to us, guys. Smash the like button. So, and then also subscribe and then enable notifications so that you don't miss out on our trailing episodes here on C2S Enterprises. So that's it for this week. I hope you enjoy your holidays. Happy and Merry Christmas and Happy New Year in advance. Enjoy your holidays, guys. Stay safe. Thanks.